So I've got one of the masks that just has the string ties today. Some of the other masks have the little elastic loop that can go behind your ears. I don't have one of those, but I'll kind of show you how to put these on. The elastic loop masks are about the same as far as putting them on. It's still actually a little easier than having to tie the strings. But basically, you just want the mask to be able to cover both your nose and your mouth. And with the string ones, you just kind of tie them behind your head here. So I usually tie the top one first. You want it snug, but not real tight. And then you can kind of adjust it. Most of these masks have a little wire across the nose there, and you can actually pinch that so it's snug across the nose. And that way there's not air blowing up into your eyes. And then with the lower one, the same sort of thing. You just tie it across the back of your neck there. And again, it doesn't have to be real tight, but just rather snug, so it kind of keeps the mask in place. You don't want a bunch of air coming out the sides or out the top. In the bottom, you don't have to have it real tight. So that's kind of the easy way to put the mask on with the string ones. The elastic loop ones just have a little loop that you can tuck behind your ears there, and then you can adjust it the same way, pinching the nose, making sure it's covering your mouth and your nose. You want to make sure your air is not escaping too much from the side there. And if necessary, if you wear glasses, you want to pinch that so it's kind of snug underneath your glasses, and your glasses can sit on top, so it's kind of sitting on the mask. If your glasses fog up quite a bit, you can actually use a little piece of tape across the top of the mask. I've got a little roll of some transport tape here, but you can even use Scotch tape, or at home even a Band-Aid, that sort of thing, just to kind of seal the top. So again, if you're fogging up your glasses or it's blowing too much air in the eye. So I've just taken a little piece of tape here. I'm actually going to make it even smaller, just a small strip, and literally just right across the top of the mask there, you can put that little piece of tape there just to kind of seal that off. And I try not to put too much tape on your skin, because sometimes that adhesive from the tape can irritate the skin just a little bit. But that'll help kind of seal that off. And then you'll still be able to get plenty of air through the sides and that. Again, you want it snug, but you should still be able to breathe pretty well through that. So that's kind of just a quick and easy way to take care of the regular mask. Now, they do have the N95 mask and some of the other thicker ones. It's kind of the same principle. You just want it snug against your face, so air is not escaping around the sides and covering your mouth and your nose primarily. But that should work pretty well. And I think the little help with the tape up there, if you're fogging up your glasses, is a good trick for that.